My name is TD, and I'm TD Sub, and together we are Makita Twins, aka Pum Pum.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys for amazing support, and if you're new, you are welcome. Please don't hesitate to press the subscribe button and notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Guys, did you know that the Angel Nest from Durban Gen have a twin sister? We are talking about Phumeza from Durban General. Her real name is Tshidi Makitle and her identical twin is Tsidiso. They both graduated with Bachelor of Arts at the University of Zululand, Ongoye, KZN. Tshidi said she couldn't believe when she was offered Phumeza's role in Durban Gen. Like everyone else, the twins had their fair share of trial when their mother suffered a stroke and being unemployed because of that reason. So when Tshidi got this role, she became a breadwinner. The twins said their parents are the source of their inspiration, although they don't stay with their father, but he never neglected his responsibilities as the father. They further revealed that they have an Instagram page named the Makitle Twins, where they showcase their acting talent. Guys, I must say I have fallen in love with Phumeza's role. Her beauty and humbleness is everything. If you love her, leave your comment below and also follow them on their Instagram page, the Makitle Twins. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you on my next upload. Bye.